Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel, your trusted space for clear professional insights on the appliance that truly makes a difference in your home. In today's video, we are taking a closer look at two of the most powerful portable carpet and upholstery cleaners on the market: the Rug Doctor 93306 portable spot cylinder carpet cleaner and the Bissell SpotClean Pro 1558E carpet cleaner. Both are compact, easy to handle, and designed for tackling stubborn spots, spills, and stains on carpets, rugs, sofas, and even car interiors. But which one is right for your cleaning needs? Starting with the Rug Doctor 93306. This machine stands out with its robust build and powerful suction, designed to lift deep set dirt and grime with professional grade performance. Its motorized hand tool gives you consistent scrubbing action. The retractable handle with wheels adds portability without compromising on performance. One clear advantage of the Rug Doctor is its strong extraction power, which helps speed up drying time, something that frequent users will appreciate. However, one downside that it is slightly heavier and bulkier than some might expect for a portable machine, which could make maneuvering in tight areas a bit challenging. On the other hand, the Bissell SpotClean Pro 1558E offers a great balance of power and compactness. With a slim design and lightweight build, it is easy to store and carry from room to room or even into your car. The long hose and power cord provide excellent reach, and it comes with a multiple attachments, including a tough stain tool for added flexibility. A notable strength of the SpotClean Pro is how effectively it lifts stains with minimal water left behind, giving carpets a thorough clean without soaking them. However, one limitation is the smaller tank size, which may require more frequent refilling during large cleaning tasks. To summarize it, both the Rug Doctor and the Bissell SpotClean are strong contenders in the portable carpet cleaner categories. The Rug Doctor leans more towards users who want deep cleaning power and are willing to handle a bit more weight for that performance, while the SpotClean Pro appeals to those looking for a lightweight, easy to use solution that is great for smaller targeted cleanups. If you are someone dealing with pet messes, food spills, or general spots maintenance in a busy household, either of these could be a game changer, but the right choice depends on how much power, portability, and tank capacity matters to you. These portable carpet cleaners deserve your attention. Thank you very much indeed.